In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chrome cookies. Cookies are small bits of data that websites save in your browser to remember things like your login, your language, and what's in your shopping cart. When cookies are disabled, many sites can't function properly, so pages might not load as expected, or you may get stuck at a sign-in screen. Let's walk through the safest, simplest way to turn them on in Google Chrome on a computer. Start by opening Chrome on Windows or Mac. Look to the top right of the window and click the three dots. From the menu, choose Settings. On the Settings page, find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Click it, then select Cookies and Other Site Data. On this page, choose Allow All Cookies. This is the most compatible setting and the one to use if a website isn't working or keeps signing you out. Your change takes effect immediately. Just refresh any open tabs to apply it. If a site needed cookies to complete a login or checkout, enabling them should fix those issues right away. If you want to jump straight there, here's a faster route. Click the address bar at the top of Chrome, type Chrome/settings cookies, and press enter. That opens the same cookies and other site data page instantly. From here, pick Allow All Cookies, and you're done. This shortcut is handy when you're troubleshooting a site and don't want to dig through menus, especially if you're helping someone else over a call and need a quick, direct path. A couple of important tips. When cookies are off, some websites won't load parts of the page, and many won't let you log in at all. Enabling cookies lets sites save data so you stay signed in and your preferences stick. If you prefer more privacy, you don't have to allow everything. On that same page, you can block third-party cookies, which stops tracking cookies from other sites embedded in the page, though it may break some features like embedded media or cross-site sign-ins. You can also allow only certain sites by adding exceptions so trusted sites work while others remain restricted. That balance gives you functionality where you need it and tighter control elsewhere. On work or school computers, these settings might be managed by your organization, so you could see options that are locked. Otherwise, that's it. Open Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Other Site Data, and choose Allow All Cookies or use the shortcut to get there faster. Refresh your tabs, sign in again if needed, and you should be good to go.